If you have some chicken at home, why not turn it into something delicious? With this simple recipe, you can transform your chicken into a flavoursome homemade dish that's easy to cook and perfect for any meal. Before we begin, make sure all the ingredients are prepared and ready to use. First, place the chicken breast into a clean bowl to prepare for marinating. Now add the minced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper and a pinch of salt into the bowl. Mix well until the chicken is evenly coated and all the ingredients are fully combined. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the steamer by filling the bottom with water and bringing it to a gentle boil. Now take the marinated chicken out of the fridge and put it on a plate, making sure to drizzle all that flavoursome marinade over the top. Carefully place the chicken into the steamer. Cover with the lid and steam for about 30 minutes, or until it's fully cooked and tender. Once cooked, carefully lift the lid away from you and gently remove the chicken from the steamer. Before serving, slice the chicken and arrange it on a platter. Garnish the dish with fresh spring onions and drizzle the sauce over the chicken, letting it coat each slice. A simple dish that's packed with flavor, easy, tasty, and satisfying. Save this video and follow for more.